This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, variable valve timing, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, heated side view mirrors, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. This Hyundai has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Off Lease for Less for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 3031 Okeechobee Boulevard in West Palm Beach.